The thing with multiple exposure is you can't move the subject, which of course is exactly what I did. Maybe there's still hope. First step is refining the exposures. PS will try to align the layers. I messed up more than I expected and ended up with 4 groups of slightly different exposures. OMG. Maybe masking will go better. Anyway, let's find a background. Editing montage.
Jesus, this is taking so long.
What have I done to myself?
Okay, let's get this done.
Color references. I have no idea what I'm doing. More references. More painstaking painting. Why am I even doing this? What is the meaning of life? Now we just add a little bit of spice. And that's it.